What I wish I knew about Nest thermostat batteries before calling for help. Sometimes it's a quick fix. Let's walk through it together. First, let's cover the basics. Your Nest thermostat charges itself using the wires connected to your HVAC system. If it's not charging, start by checking if your system is actually running. Sometimes a tripped breaker or power outage is the real problem. Next, check the wires behind your thermostat. Make sure they're snug and rust-free. Loose or corroded wires can stop your Nest from getting power. If your wiring looks good, try removing the Nest from its base and plugging it into a USB charger. Yes, the same kind you use for your phone. Give it about an hour, then see if it powers up. Still no luck? Your HVAC system might not be sending enough power to the Nest. In that case, you might need a device called a C-wire or a Nest power connector. And if all else fails, your battery could be at the end of its life. Consider reaching out to Nest support for next steps. Most issues are simple, don't stress. With these tips, your Nest should be back to normal in no time.